Hello there, welcome to our Super Slime class. And today we are going to show you the inside. My name is Michael Paul.
And I am his assistant, Lindley. This is the course where you can truly find your inner mad scientist.
Okay, that's enough. Now let's go inside and see what they are doing.
Hello. We are the lab monitors. And now we're going to show you shaken, not stirred. This is shaken, not stirred. An experiment where you will add water and soap and shake it up to make a bubbles. To make foam at the top. Now we're going to show you salty soda. This is an experiment where you pour soda into a cup and then add salt, and it will make foam come up at the top.
Magical.
And next, we're going to show you bubble fog foam. This is our best experiment yet. What is that?
Dry ice. Oh, the bubbles.
Magic happens.
The bubbles all come up and add some food coloring.
If you pop the bubbles, foam will come out. And this is just dry ice, food coloring,
And
water,
some
and
water with
soap.
soap. Isn't that magical?
Next is bubble gremlins. Where he blows bubbles and they will float on top of the dry ice.
Magically. Look at that. They're magically
Science.
floating. Science.
Make sure to take Super Slime next year. Be a mad scientist.
Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye. And learn some science.